Makeriria muingi mambura-inĩ ma Mashujaa kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga, atongoria aria maritie mahuthirite mweke uyu gutindika ndama ciao cia uteti ihenya-inĩ rĩa kĩhĩtahĩtano kia mwaka ũkĩte. Munini wa President William Ruto agathĩrĩirie maũndũ marĩa thirikari ya Jubilee ĩhotete gũkinyaniria kuma rĩrĩa mambĩrĩirie gwathana miaka 9 mĩhĩtũku.
Your Excellency, your place in the history of Kenya is not only secure, but it is prominent. Your legacy as a transformational leader in Kenya will set the standard for the leaders that will come after you.
There is tremendous development in our country, and it would be important that this foundation is built on for the future as we move forward.
Na kuona maya nĩ makinya mabata bũrũri ũkinyũkĩtie, munini wa president augĩte wĩra ũyũ wothe ndũkorĩra thĩ angĩkagĩa na mweke wa kwerera ũtongoria thutha wa President Uhuru Kenyatta mwaka ũkĩte, gũkũ nake mũtongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga akĩrahĩra gwĩtĩkĩrwo nĩ kĩrĩma.
Your Excellency, I assure you that as your deputy for the last 9 years, God willing, I will make sure that your legacy and the agenda you have set of the unity of this nation and the transformation of our nation under the Big Four plan, together with the bottom-up approach, will take this country to greater heights.
Honorable Kibaki got an accident and could not campaign. You campaigned for Mwai Kibaki. We saw him on a wheelchair in Nairobi. We came with him from Githurai, through Thika, through Kenol, through Muranga, Kirinyaga, Kerugoya, Karatina, mpaka Udhaya. Everywhere, the people were saying, Raila Mutongoria Jamba. So Raila Odinga is a friend of the mountain and has been able to climb the mountain. I thank you.
Odinga atabũrĩte njamba cia bũrũri wa Gĩkũyũ na itemi rĩrĩa ciananyita gũtigĩrĩra bũrũri nĩ wehanda na ũkorwo na maũndũ ma kwĩrahĩrwo nĩ njiarwa na njiarwa.
We also remember those Mau generals, Your Excellency. People like General Madenge, Kang'ethe, Kimathi, Kasamjogu, Mariama, na Baimungu, just to say a few, who are not madmen to take up arms and go into the bush to fight the mighty British Army. They were truly Kenyan patriots.
I also want to call on peace and tolerance during this particular period so that we can work together as a nation and as a people, respecting the boundaries that the Constitution provides, so that we respect everybody in our country.
Governor wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga Anne Waiguru acoreire ageni aria macerete guku uthaka wa kaunti ino iria augite rungu rwa utongoria wake ihotete kwigĩra na ngumo bũrũri-inĩ wothe.
So far, we have supported more than 500 farmers groups and close to 50,000 households to undertake various projects under our Wezesha Economic Empowerment Program. Each of the supported households are able to make an extra 1,000 per day under various value chains, which include production of 1 million eggs a month under poultry keeping, tomato, avocado, dairy and fish farming, beekeeping as well as pig rearing.
Waiguru atabũrĩte atĩ rungu rwa ũtongoria wa President Uhuru Kenyatta, kaunti ĩno nĩ ĩgunĩkĩte na tabarĩra itiganĩte na gatũrũ kohoro nĩ ũnyoroku ũrĩa itigĩirwo thutha wa gũtabania mambura ma gĩkĩro ta gĩkĩ.
The impact will not only be felt by the current generation, but the legacy will live on for generations to come. I recall when you visited Mwanya last year, Your Excellency, this stadium was just a muddy field, and that required us to wear gumboots in order to walk in.
Ndumiriri ya Kenya njega makiria matuko meguka niyo atongoria aria marite igongona-ini riri matigeire ya Kenya na bata wa kuiga thayu mwerekera-ini wa githurano kinene kia mwaka ukite. Ngiribotera Inoro TV de kiharo-ini kia Wang'uru kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.